In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to add and use scroll into view animations in Webflow. Scroll animations can enhance your website by adding a dynamic touch, capturing user attention, and making your content more engaging. We're going to break down each step so you can easily follow along and implement these animations on your own Webflow projects. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to webflow.com. Make sure you're logged into your Webflow account. If you're not, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all of your Webflow projects. Next, locate and click on All Sites in the dashboard. This will display a list of all the websites you've created or have access to within Webflow. Take a moment to find the site that you want to work on and click on it. This will open the designer interface for that particular website, allowing you to make the necessary changes and add those engaging animations. Now, within the designer interface, identify the element on your web page that you want to animate. Click on that element to select it. Selecting the correct element is crucial as this is where you'll be applying the scroll animation effect. Make sure to take note of how this element fits into your overall design, as you'll want the animation to complement the rest of your site. Once your element is selected, look towards the right-hand side of the screen and click on Interactions. This is where Webflow allows you to create and customize animations. The Interactions panel is a powerful tool offering a variety of options to bring your website to life. In the Interactions panel, you'll need to select a trigger. For our purpose, choose Scroll. This trigger will activate your animation when the user scrolls to the specified element on your page. It's a great way to ensure your animation is experienced naturally as users navigate through your content. With the scroll trigger selected, it's time to choose the action you want to apply. This action determines what actually happens when the element comes into view. Webflow offers a wide range of animation actions, such as moving an element, changing its opacity, or even rotating it. Experiment with different actions to see what best fits the mood and style of your website. And there you have it, a simple guide to adding and using scroll into view animations in Webflow. Remember, the key to great animations is subtlety. You want to enhance user experience without overwhelming them. Play around with different settings and actions to find what works best for your particular design. These animations not only make your website more interactive, but can also improve user engagement, making your content more memorable. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're excited to start implementing scroll animations in your own Webflow projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.